starting to snow. We're in a blizzard right now. Morning everybody. So it's officially, the winter storm is here. It's starting to snow. Pretty snow though. The snow is absolutely gorgeous. It's beautiful. I don't know if you can see it, but it's starting to stick to me. It's been started to snow like a few minutes ago, but it's supposed to pick up all day tomorrow, get windier, like blizzard conditions. But yeah, it's so pretty right now. You can probably, yeah, it's starting to stick to the driveway and it's not too bad out. I mean, it's really pretty and I don't know if you can see it, but the snow is starting to pick up and come down, so it's really pretty. So yeah, update. Everyone is feeling better. My mom is sick again. She's second time, round 2 for her. Carol's better. Fisher's a lot better. They were both sick yesterday, so you can probably see it. Yeah, the snow is coming down and it's sticking to me, which is so pretty. I just love it. I love the snow. I'm a snow bunny and it's still coming down. We're supposed to get like 5 inches of snow today and then tomorrow 8 to 12 inches of snow. And it's gonna get windier later, so it's not gonna feel very nice out here. But we have our little snowman still. And yeah, it's sticking to my shirt and it's starting to come down, so make for some good pictures later. But yeah. It's hard to see on camera the snow falling, but it's coming down. It's beautiful. This winter storm hits, but it's hitting right now and it's beautiful. Oh no, she's gonna fall back. Oh no. Hope she didn't hurt herself.
Say, Maylie, do you wanna hang on to this for a little bit? Maybe to pose some of your dinosaurs?
Oh, that would be good.
Put some of these guys back here.
That's a good idea. It's like a little set.
Yeah.
I also like that doll too, the LOL doll.
That is really cute. Do you know who you got that from?
That looks like, oh, hope she doesn't get a concussion. Oh, there she goes again.
She goes to bed, but she's never really, I guess she doesn't want it to at school like that.
My mom was gonna braid her hair yesterday, but she forgot.
Oh.
She's gonna do something like fix it, but she like forgot.
I was happy when she forgot. Yeah, we have to put them there. Yeah, do that then. Well, then put the other one there. I did.
Gotta put the car on.
Ah!
Oh.
Put that one there. And then we could put this one there because it looks like
There it goes.
Watch out!
Oh, yay, went around.
Hey, what's that? That's why you don't need that. Don't put them there. Wait, we could put this there. Don't need anything for it. There it goes up.
Yeah, it's fine. Oh, almost.
Wait, let's take that out.
There goes the car.
It's literally your foot. Yeah. Wait. I don't need those.
Good afternoon, everybody. So I just came outside to go for a little walk because 1, it's snowing, which is absolutely beautiful, and 2, I just didn't want to be in that house anymore because everybody's getting sick. The stomach flu is going around. Me and Grandma so far have not caught it. Thank goodness. The kids just left, Maylie and Fisher, but it's so beautiful right now. Like, it's pretty quiet. Nobody's out because there's like, the storm is just starting. It's supposed to be really worse tomorrow, the winds and heavier snow, but it's so quiet. there's like nobody out, so it's so like weird, but I like it. I think it's beautiful, but the snow is deep as you walk to see. Pretty deep snow. It is pretty deep snow because it's piling up, and I've been around so many sick people since I've been here, coughing, just sick to the stomach. I just like it. It's beautiful. And plus, here we go.
Oh shoot, I forgot about this part.
Oh no.
I guess I should have come out and shoveled.
Oh crap.
I was gonna do that, I forgot.
Oh my. Oh jeez.
Oh, that could have done you under. I got wet.
Better walk along here. Oh my god. Yeah.
Of course, it seems worse here because it all blows in.
Oh my god. We're in a blizzard right now, and the snow is so deep.
Mom's scared of.
Oh my god, the snow is so deep. Holy crap. The snow is, we're venturing over to Grandma's, and it's crazy. Oh my, look how deep the snow is. Wow. Oh my goodness. Yeah? I want to show.
My kids are probably full of snow.
Oh my goodness. Winter storm gauge. Oh my goodness. Wow.
Look at Grandma's gift, Dogger.
I see that. Pretty winter wonderland here. Blizzard. Now how'd the snow get right here? That's really interesting. Oh yay, we have some walkway. I just wanted to walk real quick. Yep, it's definitely winter wonderland here. Oh wow, they're looking at me through the window. Never mind. Doing a good job, Carl. Do you have the kids tomorrow?
Yep.
Well, they can help me shovel in.
That's right. That's right.
Gotta love the country. I know. I'll see you. My hair looks like crap, but I should go get a coat on. Okay, don't fall now like you did in the chair. Little Carol going down the street. Bye-bye.
That's gonna be there, and then that's gonna be right there. That's too far, so it's gonna be right there. So it's here.
Oh no.
But leave the baby alive.